Can you imagine waking up feeling revitalized, full of energy, and experiencing a renewed connection in your relationship? For years, we've often been told that aging means accepting a slow decline, losing our zest for life, and saying goodbye to passion. But what if the key to reclaiming your vitality and intimacy after 60 isn't found in a pill bottle or doctor's office, but right in your local grocery store? That belief can change today. As a medical professional with over 3 decades of experience, I'm here to share a discovery that's transforming lives. Hidden within 5 common fruits lies a natural power so effective, it's helping men in their 65s and beyond rediscover energy, confidence, and profound closeness. These aren't exotic or expensive supplements. They're everyday fruits with remarkable abilities to boost blood flow, ignite desire, and reignite the spark in your relationship. Most people have no idea about their true potential. In just a few moments, I'll reveal exactly which fruits they are and how to harness their benefits. What you're about to learn could truly reshape how you experience life after 60. Are you ready to uncover these natural allies in your fruit bowl? Let's explore these 5 powerful fruits that work in harmony with your body, bringing profound benefits to your intimacy and circulation, without medications or costly treatments. Today, we're counting down 5 powerful fruits ready to supercharge your vitality. As this list unfolds, prepare to be surprised. The top fruit is the one nobody ever expects. Are you ready? Let's begin. The 5 powerful fruits to ignite circulation and rekindle intimacy. 1. Red grapes, the vascular rejuvenator. I once believed improving circulation in older individuals solely required pharmaceuticals. Yet, through witnessing patient transformations and extensive research into successful aging, I unearthed a simple yet profound truth: red grapes. These aren't fancy supplements. They are natural powerhouses, often overlooked yet right before our eyes. Despite their modest appearance, red grapes are a remarkable source of resveratrol, a potent antioxidant fundamentally improving circulation in the aging body. Its unique ability to relax and enlarge blood vessels ensures oxygen-rich blood reaches your heart, brain, muscles, and crucially, your intimate areas. Red grapes excel at restoring blood flow to the lower body, where aging often initiates its decline. Symptoms like cold feet, diminished intimacy response, or increased weariness are common as blood flow becomes restricted, suppressing energy, desire, and emotional connection. Red grapes help restore this vital flow. For older men, red grapes wield the power to enhance erectile function, as resveratrol increases nitric oxide, which is essential for sustaining healthy erections. Consistent daily intake has demonstrated encouraging improvements in erectile quality. Grapes offer these advantages organically, subtly, and without side effects, in contrast to pharmaceutical drugs. Red grapes also help women's pelvic circulation and vascular sensitivity, which are frequently impacted by age. This leads to greater warmth, comfort, and a deeper emotional bond during intimacy. The goal is to restore both physiological function and the richness of shared experience. It's astonishing how something as common as a bowl of grapes can resurrect what many believed was lost forever. Couples have returned to me, expressing surprise at how such a minor dietary adjustment profoundly rejuvenated a major aspect of their life. I consistently find this encouraging, as the solution stems from robust research and sensible decisions, rather than a mere miracle. The beauty lies in its simplicity and natural efficacy. 2. Papaya, the hormonal and energetic uplifter. Papaya, with its comforting, sunny, tropical aroma and melting golden flesh, evokes carefree days. Yet, for many over 60, its profound secret remains unknown. If you're a man seeking to recharge energy and improve circulation, papaya is an exceptionally powerful fruit. I remember Mr. Arthur Johnson, a 68-year-old retired school administrator, who felt perpetually exhausted, slept poorly, and found intimacy with his wife distant. Despite healthy habits, he was drained. We introduced papaya, a cup mixed with Greek yogurt each morning. Weeks later, he returned with a blush and a smile. Something had changed. Papaya is an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It also contains powerful digestive and anti-inflammatory enzymes such as papain. The impact on circulation and testosterone levels, especially in older men, is what truly sets papaya apart. It improves hormone regulation, blood vessel flexibility, and oxygen delivery in a natural way. A surge of physical energy and stronger, longer-lasting erections are both supported by this internal boost. Additionally, it helps women achieve a healthy estrogen balance, which in turn improves blood circulation in the pelvic area, alleviates dryness and discomfort, and boosts arousal. If you want to experience intimacy without worry or exhaustion, papaya can help. It supports your adrenal glands, responsible for managing stress in your body. I love papaya because it's so easy to get your hands on. Rather than taking a pill or supplement, you can simply eat a spoonful of this fruit first thing in the morning to experience its internal benefits, restoring confidence and connection in a subtle way. It produces steady, organic results. Papaya is a subtle ally to have on hand if you're looking to ignite passion in your relationships as well as your bodies. Though it doesn't guarantee instant thrills, it cultivates lasting warmth, vitality, and a renewed desire for connection. 3. Cherries, sleep, healing, and deeper bonds. Just when you think fruits couldn't offer more, cherries emerge as a profound enhancer of hormone and heart health, sleep quality, overall lightness, and the capacity for deeper love. Their velvety red hue and inviting presence beckon you to slow down. Eating them is an adventure, impacting your body beyond mere taste. I recall Mr. and Mrs. Peter and Susan Davies, in their early 60s, married for 35 years, whose lives had subtly shifted. Mr. Davies felt a deep sense of loss, disconnected from his body, slow, and secretly grieving the once effortless passion. Though she didn't want to pressure him, Mrs. Davies missed their intimacy. They collaborated in their pursuit of an organic remedy. I suggested eating cherries. Research has shown that cherries can improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and enhance libido. Skeptical but eager, they ventured to try it. They returned 2 months later, giggling and openly showing more affection than before. Cherry anthocyanins, potent antioxidants, actively mitigate inflammatory effects on the body's arteries, boosting nitric oxide production and generally improving vascular health. This enhanced circulation extends to the central nervous system and crucial areas for sexual desire and arousal. For older men, improved penile blood flow means stronger, longer-lasting erections, naturally. Cherry research has shown that it improves circulation to the pelvis, which in turn makes sexual intimacy more pleasant, pleasurable, and fulfilling for women. Cherries also nourish the mind. Their natural melatonin content promotes better sleep, which in turn optimizes hormone balance, reduces stress, and makes you more emotionally open, subtle aspects crucial for a lasting bond. Cherries are unique because they are soft. They don't give you a shock, just constant nourishment. They help regulate hormones, calm the nervous system, and restore harmony to the body and mind. This gentle healing is a gift in a world where pressure and pills are the norm. In my experience, cherries have a way of rekindling connection rather than fixing problems immediately. In some cases, all it takes to reawaken a sense of intimacy is for them to remind your body of its capabilities. 4. Cranberries, kidney guardians and intimacy support. I used to ignore cranberries, viewing them simply as a tart Thanksgiving side. Yet, observing seniors who maintain strong, active, and intimate relationships, often with cranberries in their diet, my viewpoint gradually changed. Exploring the research revealed that cranberries are incredibly protective of the kidneys and urinary system, which subtly affect a senior's capacity to maintain vitality and intimacy. When renal function wanes, toxins build up, circulation deteriorates, and inflammation penetrates vulnerable regions. For men, this results in diminished erection strength and endurance, as well as decreased libido and sensitivity. Packed with substances that lower inflammation, clear the urinary system, and maintain blood vessel health, especially around the pelvis, cranberries work as natural defenders. In addition to avoiding discomfort, this is necessary to provide free blood flow where it is most needed because healthy kidney function maintains ideal blood pressure and nitric oxide levels, which are essential for sexual performance. Men can expect stronger and more consistent erections. Cranberries help women feel more comfortable, less irritated, and more confident during intimacy. Crucially, cranberries allow couples to bond without having to deal with ongoing discomfort. By just adding cranberries to their diet, I'd observed numerous people experience relief from diminishing sexual desire, pain during intercourse, and recurrent urine problems. Reducing stress and pain strengthens bonds, which makes life after 60 genuinely satisfying. This fruit deserves a place in your daily routine, whether it's a handful of dried cranberries added to a salad or an unsweetened splash of cranberry juice in the morning. In addition to being good for your kidneys, it's also essential for preserving closeness, circulation, and mental clarity. 5. Pomegranates, the heart's ally and desire rekindler. Sometimes nature conceals its most powerful gifts in plain sight. The pomegranate, with its rich ruby seeds, has for centuries symbolized vitality, love, and life itself. Modern science now affirms ancient wisdom. Pomegranates are not merely symbolic. They are a profound ally for circulation, intimacy, and hormonal balance after 60. I remember Mr. and Mrs. Robert and Mary Anderson, both in their late 60s, whose sparks seemed to have dimmed, not just physically but emotionally. They shared meals, routines, even laughter, but intimacy felt like a fading memory. That's when we introduced fresh pomegranate seeds into their daily diet, just a handful each morning. What followed astonished even me. Pomegranates are packed with polyphenol, powerful plant compounds that improve blood vessel flexibility and stimulate nitric oxide production. This increases blood flow not only to vital organs like the heart and brain, but also to the areas essential for physical closeness. Unlike quick fixes or temporary solutions, pomegranates work gently, steadily strengthening the body's natural rhythms. For men, regular consumption of pomegranate juice has been shown to support stronger, longer-lasting erections by enhancing vascular function and reducing arterial plaque buildup. For women, pomegranates help increase pelvic blood flow, improve lubrication, and balance estrogen levels, making intimacy both possible and pleasurable again. But perhaps the most remarkable effect of pomegranates is what they do for the heart, not just physically but emotionally. Studies reveal that pomegranates help reduce stress hormones like cortisol while promoting the production of serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. This fosters a more relaxed, open emotional state, making it easier for couples to connect, laugh, and rediscover closeness without pressure. The beauty of this fruit lies in its ease of enjoyment. Scatter the jewel-like seeds over your morning yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or simply savor them by the spoonful. Each bite becomes a quiet act of self-care, a step toward feeling more alive, more connected, and more in tune with both your body and your partner. Pomegranates remind us that even after 60, life can still offer sweetness, passion, and renewal, not as a distant memory, but as a vibrant present reality. Your continued engagement with this text indicates that you are prepared for a change. Maybe you've noticed that you're not as active as you once were, or maybe you're tired of hearing that it's normal to feel this way as you get older. That, however, is not totally accurate. Your body is still longing to respond and recover. It most certainly can with the right kind of food. That's the thing I love about this approach. We are not going to talk about crazy regimens, expensive supplements, or impossible tasks. Our main focus is on fruit, pure, unprocessed fruit that your body can detect and react to in a subtle but steady way. Feel free to begin with something modest. Actually, out of the 5 fruits we've talked about, I think you should choose the one that speaks to you the most. Perhaps it's a handful of juicy red grapes as an afternoon snack, a handful of dried cranberries mixed into your morning oatmeal or salad, a slice of fresh papaya for breakfast, or a couple of cherries as a nighttime treat. There's no need to rush through anything. There's also no wrong way to begin. Just be consistent, that is what matters. Choose life, flow, and connection by consistently sending a message to your body every day. As time goes on, you may feel a variety of subtle changes, such as softer hands and feet, less mental fog, more restful sleep, and maybe even a rekindled enthusiasm. These are subtle signs that indicate your body is still actively working for you. Working with seniors all over the country for a long time has taught me another valuable lesson: there's always time. I've seen women rediscovering comfort in their bodies and feeling beautiful, and men in their 65s reuniting with partners after years of separation, not because they've turned back the clock, but because they're nurturing the life they have. So take a step back and look at your pantry, fruit bowl, or upcoming grocery list with a new perspective today. Fruit is more than just food, it is a resource, a gift of healing, and a catalyst for change. This is the day that you should start. You should do it not because it is required of you, but because you have earned the right to experience greater joy, vitality, strength, and connection than you ever imagined possible. The steps have been taught to you. You're aware of what's possible. You are on your own now, but I will be here to support you every step of the way. Let me tell you, this is only the beginning. Less energy, less touch, less connection, we may unconsciously begin to accept it. At times, we don't necessarily choose to age in this way, but it just seems to be the way things are. As a fellow human being, I can assure you that this is not the case. There's more to come. You're still young enough, and your physical self is still with you. The 5 fruits we've covered may not seem like much, but they stand for something much bigger. You can think of them as a daily invitation to unlock your body's full potential, assisting in the restoration of not only blood flow, but also self-assurance, closeness, and vitality. Think about all the things your body has been through: years of labor, nights spent worrying about family, obstacles, joys, sorrows, successes, and failures. Your heart has been a pulsating force throughout. You are robust, energetic, and fully present because blood has flowed freely through your body. And now that you have the freedom to enjoy the things that really matter, time with loved ones, quality of life, you should feel cared for, not confined. The combination of red grapes, cranberries, papaya, and cherries isn't going to cure anything, but it is quietly changing the game by combining nourishment with wisdom. They are able to access areas that medicine frequently misses: the emotional memory of desire and longing, as well as the small vessels and hormonal pathways. My wish is that you gain more than just a list of things to buy. I hope you embrace the belief that it's never too late to feel better, to hold hands and feel warmth, to wake up renewed and hopeful, and to see a spark that you thought had faded but never really disappeared in yourself or your partner. As we age, we gain the chance to love more profoundly, appreciate more completely, and comprehend what truly matters. So, it's not all bad. When blood flows freely and your body feels nourished, your heart opens up to everything. Keep this in mind: if tomorrow all you do is eat a bowl of cherries or bring some red grapes on a walk, you're still making a decision, an intentional life choice that prioritizes taking care of one's body, not because it's broken, but because it's capable of so much more. Rest assured, this is just the beginning. A fresh adventure is about to begin, a path that may lead to rekindled passion, mended relationships, and even the possibility of uncovering your true identity buried beneath the years you've spent. You've spent your whole life helping other people. Now it's your turn to feel good about yourself by taking care of yourself. Love and happiness are yours to have. Moreover, this adventure does not begin with a prescription, which is the finest part. All it takes is a little fruit and the determination to think that better times are on the horizon. We hope these realizations will motivate you to live your life to the fullest. Please get in touch with me as soon as possible. Take a moment to reflect and then share something you have learned and are thinking of putting into practice. Let's be there for each other as we embrace these truths. Please share this video if you found it useful. Thank you very much for your feedback. Subscribe and like our YouTube channel to see more videos like this one. Take care of yourself very, very well. Healthy, happy, peaceful lives.